Today we're going to show you a quick look at the Homebrew launcher on the Wii U. This can be launched by exploiting a vulnerability in the web browser, which in turn will get us kernel access on the Wii U. Currently this will only work on firmware 5.3.2 or 5.4. I won't show you how to set this up in this video, it's more a quick video of what's possible at the moment, but there will be a full link below the video on how to set this up yourself if you've got a compatible Wii U. So to start with, we're going to load the Wii U's web browser. The exploit is a bit unstable, sometimes it will launch first time, other times it will take you a couple of tries, so it's best to bookmark it for convenience really. So I've got mine bookmarked here at the top, so if I click on that, so we can see there the exploit was successful first time. Usually once you've got the exploit to run once, it is a lot more reliable. So we've now got kernel access on the Wii U, and that's kicked us back to the web browser again. So when we load this Homebrew launcher shortcut I've made here again, it'll actually take us to the Homebrew launcher now. So you can see there it's now loading, and there we're in the Homebrew launcher menu. All the various homebrews on here are actually saved on the Wii U's SD card. So for example here we've got an FTP server. If we wanted to load that, we click on it, we get a bit more information about it, and then we can click load, and that's loaded directly off the Wii U's SD card there. And you can see there it says the FTP server is listening on the IP address. So if I just press enter on my PC here, you can see that I've connected to the Wii U via FTP, and I can download and browse files on the SD card. And then the good thing about this Homebrew launcher is you can actually exit out of it, out of an application, without turning the Wii U off. So if we press the home button here, that kicks us back to the Homebrew launcher menu, so we can load another Homebrew. For example, up here we've got a title dumper, which will allow you to dump files off the Wii U, such as save games for example. So we can load that up again, and then that will set the Wii U up to send content you need over to your PC. We won't go into that in this video though. And then another useful Homebrew application is we've got Loadin GX2, which allows you to load games off the Wii U's SD card. Now the useful thing about that is it'll ignore region restrictions, so you can play all these Japanese games you may have been wanting to import, and you can also mod games as well. And the good thing about this Homebrew launcher is once you've actually run the web browser exploit, we can exit out of here and load it back up again. You may notice that it's going to the Me Maker now. That's because it sort of patches the Me Maker's memory. So when that's loaded up, it actually triggers the Homebrew launcher, as I'll show you now as an easy way to get back into the Homebrew menu. So obviously on there, we've just got this Wii U menu, but now if we load the Me Maker up, you'll see we don't actually get the Me Maker. So that's it, we're straight back into the Homebrew menu, providing easy access so you don't have to go through the process of running the web browser exploit again until you power the Wii U off. Well, when you turn that off, you have to go through the process I showed at the start of the video. So that's basically what's possible at the moment in regards to Wii U Homebrew. There are a few other applications which I've not got on the SD card at the moment, but I'll provide a full link to a tutorial on how to get your Wii U set up if you wish to try and have a go at getting some Homebrew running.